In this video, learn 3 golden tips about using a soldering iron. Shape the iron wire as shown in the video. Pay attention that the amount of wire is not small. In this section, the soldering wire does not weld to the metal. I am going to introduce you to a wonderful and easy combination. Mix some lemon juice and salt to make a wonderful mixture. Add this solution to the weld joint. As you can see, the solder wire is very well welded. Never clean the soldering iron with a hard object. Moisten a washcloth with some water. And from now on, you can clean your soldering iron with minimal damage and use it. Subscribe for useful and amazing techniques. Thanks for watching this video.